Hi all, good evening all of you, and here welcome to the YouTube channel Adda 24/7 Telugu all of you. Very good evening. So let us start today's session is called how to score 25 plus marks in English, especially IBPS PO or clerk. How to prepare well. And before that, we are giving you a small information to you all of you dear students. We are giving you 77% offer plus double validity on all products. You have to visit the website adda247.com, or else you can use the application also. That's what adda247 app also you can download and use the coupon code Y209. Use challenge and request media students. Alright, and here we have the batches, individual batches. Sankalpam 4.0, it's a special English batch. You wanna improve your grammatical knowledge, vocabulary and reading skills. If you want to improve, you can join here right now, or else you can join IBPS PO clerk batch, also started recently. If you are interested, you can join the PO clerk batch also, no issues. Okay now, and interview batch also, IBPS RRB PO interview batch also has been started recently. If you are interested, so please join these batches. Now triple R and GPC reasoning batch also, we have any one of the batches you want to join, just use the coupon code Y209, requesting you all of you very students. At the same time, here we have IBPS PO clerk, first batch already started, I think 2 weeks back. And here SBI PO also batch started 2 weeks back. If you are interested, so please use the coupon code Y209 and you may join the batches. And here Andhra Pradesh High Court 2.0 second batch also started, and at the same time we have Andhra Pradesh High Court 2.0 test series also we have the availability. If you are interested, you want to try the test series, you have the opportunity, you can join by using the coupon code Y209. At the same time, mega packs. Now normal days we are giving you mega packs generally for 4,000, but today is the festival offer is running still right now. If you are interested, 24-month validity will be given from the date of purchase. Whatever the courses you want to join, whatever the courses we are launching from the date of purchase. What is the date today? 5th November 2021. All right, so 5th November 2023, 2 years. Within this 2 years span of time, whatever the courses we are launching will be given to you free of cost, just under 3,200 only. And up to now, whatever the courses we have started, that courses also will be given to you free of cost only. If you are interested, so please use the coupon code Y209 and join these batches immediately. This is what my sincere request to you all of my students. Okay, and now we are discussing how to improve English knowledge to get 25 plus marks in English, especially this you can take IBPS or PO or clerk, and IBPS SO specialist officer also has been released. In that also we have English for all the grades, we have English. So anywhere, everywhere we have English. How to prepare English well, so that is actually the major agenda here right now. So majorly we have to focus on 3 things. Number 1 is reading skills. You know that every time we're discussing, this is a very important aspect. And number 2, you have to learn all grammar rules and regulations. There is no exemption for any chapter until and unless there is an interjection. No need to learn one chapter interjection. You can learn each and every point, each and every rule in English grammar. Then only you can get the clarity, what is this, and you can do the answers. Otherwise it's impossible. And number 3 is called, we are calling vocabulary knowledge. If you are not good at finding the synonym or antonym, one word substitutions, fill in the blanks, close test, antonyms, homonyms, word swapping, word rearrangement, whatever the aspect you take, just basically knowledge is from vocabulary. What you need to learn in vocabulary, especially you need to learn root words, all right, and prefixes, all right, and suffixes. These things you have to learn very carefully. It's a very important aspect. Okay, so where do we learn these root words, prefixes, suffixes? We teach you in Adda 24/7 YouTube channel how to learn, how to understand the word and its impact అనేది ఇక్కడ నేను Adda 24/7 YouTube channel లో చెప్తాను. So you need to learn the root words, prefixes, suffixes. It's a very important aspect. At the same time, you have to learn grammar. If you want to learn grammar, you prefer Adda 24/7 English textbook. You can prefer, it's sufficient. I can speak to you. Adda 24/7 English textbook is a sufficient textbook for improving all sort of grammar rules. Like you can take the parts of speech, tenses. In the parts of speech, totally we have 7. We need to learn noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction. No need of learning interjection. And next, tenses. In the tenses also we have to learn active voice, passive voice, direct and indirect speech. Okay, and subject verb agreement, and conditional sentences, and idioms and phrases. That too you have to read the phrasal verbs, also very important aspect. And here you can see the word reading skills you have to learn by reading the Hindu editorial. If you are interested, so please use the thing is that you have to prefer the Hindu editorial that you have to learn. It's a very important aspect. Okay, so when you are improving these things clearly, automatically you can get 25 plus marks in our English language. So let me write the question paper first of all so that you can understand clarity. What is the first question we expect in the exam? We expect the first question that is called reading comprehension, so that you can understand what actually the question paper format. Reading, what we are calling that is reading comprehension. And number 2, we are calling that one is like error detection. All right. And number 3, we are calling sentence rearrangement. And number 4, we are calling fillers, that means fill in the blanks. Number 5, close test. See, this is the common question paper for any exam you take, that is PO or clerk, and a prelims question or mains question. Mains, you may get 2 more reading comprehensions, that much, and one more extra reading comprehension you will be given. The format is same, there is no much difference, ma. Okay, so now let us check how many questions come to you generally from this particular sort of things. Okay, reading comprehension, we are expecting 7 to 10 questions. Okay, so suppose we are expecting finally cutoff mark is 10, we can confirm like that. Okay, 10 into 1 equal 10 marks. Error detection, 5 questions into 1 mark is 5 marks. And a sentence rearrangement, 5 into 1 equals 5 marks. And a fillers, 5 into 1 equal 5 marks. And close test, 5 into 1 equal 5 marks. So this is all prelims question paper you can take right now. Now you can take 30 questions and 30 marks. And how to score 25 plus, it's a very important aspect. There is a format, like of course you practice daily the mock test, automatically you come to know the format. See, when you want to score 25 plus marks, there is a strategy called you have to do small questions at first. Like error detection questions, 5 out of 5 you can do. That one come very easily. Yes or no? Then after, fillers also basically on one-liners. If you want to read one line, okay, you can do the answer easily. In reading comprehension also, we have the synonyms and antonyms type of questions. That is also generally come under one line. If you know the meaning, you can do. If you don't know the meaning, you can't do. So like 1 second questions, whatever the question is, that you have to do them first. And time taking questions are there, like sentence rearrangement, close test, and a close test is also the next third priority I can give. First priority goes to error detection, second priority goes to fillers, and third priority goes to, in the synonyms antonyms are there, that goes to third priority. All right, and fourth priority comes to close test, and fifth priority comes to sentence rearrangement, and the last priority, sixth priority comes to reading comprehension. If you do like this priority basis, you can do very easily whatever the questions of that. Okay, now so now we can see this. Now you can see this very clearly. So reading comprehension, generally we are expecting by reading ability of a student. Error detection, we are expecting grammatical knowledge. Just a minute, be online please. Hi, I'm here. Hi. So now this is the aspect. You have to read the error detection, sentence rearrangement, fill in the blanks, and close test. See, reading comprehension based on reading ability of a student, error detection based on grammatical knowledge of a student, sentence arrangement based on both your grammar and your reading skills, and fill in the blanks purely based on your vocabulary, and close test is also purely based on your vocabulary knowledge. So that is why I comprised all these things here right now. Number 1 is reading, number 2 is grammar, and number 3 is vocabulary. If you learn these 3 things clearly, then you will become the master of English. Easily you can score 10 plus marks. So we have the strategy for this like this, and you can prepare well. Enough. This is all from my side. I am closing. I think this is enough. Okay. Any doubts are there? Put your comment in the comment section so that I will give you the reply. Okay, ma'am. So here we have the batches. Any one of the batches you want to join, just use the coupon code Y209. Still we have the very important aspect is this. Mega packs are running right now. And no need to pay even 4,000. Just within 3,200 only you will be given 24-month validity. This aspect you will be given. You have to use the coupon code Y209 to join these particular batches. Alright. So don't forget the coupon code, my dear students. You have to use the coupon code Y209 to get all these batches properly. Alright. So just a minute. Yeah. So anybody has not yet downloaded this Adda 24's application, you can download the application. All of you like the session, comment it and share it, and subscribe to the channel. Anybody comes new itself today. Okay now. So thanks a lot. Bye bye. See you. We meet tomorrow morning 9 AM with the Hindu editorial 100%. We are meeting tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow is a Saturday. We are meeting 100% with the Hindu editorial. Okay, now have a nice day, and we meet tomorrow morning. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you all of you. Good night. Thank you.